Okay, I'm gonna take it out, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, it has like holes in it now. Let me get a pokey stick.
Get a spatula. It's almost a cookie.
It's almost a cookie. Like, it almost works if you put it in the microwave. Oh. It's definitely burnt. Oof. It hurts to breathe it in, actually, up the nose. It's making a weird noise, if you can hear that. It actually reeks, so I recommend don't ever putting Pillsbury dough cookie dough in the microwave. Don't put those in the microwave. Still making noise. Yep. It sounds like Pop cereal or something. It's disgusting. Don't put that in the microwave. Don't even make those.
Alright. I'll put them in a Ziploc.
Stain the plate.
Oh,
Isn't that disgusting?
looks like tomatoes on.